I'm literally just messing around because, yeah, but look, from this to this, that's pretty cute. Let's just appreciate the lashes real quick, okay? Okay, okay, okay. Alopecia wear.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
This is gonna be a little lash tutorial. You know, the lash tech can be hot next sometimes. But yeah, I'm not one of those girls that like that extra mega. No, I don't like that. I like the one that's light and fluffy. I personally don't even like doing mega volume. I barely like doing volume. I like doing like light volume slash wispy. That's a wispy slash hybrid. Like I'll do volume on the ends, like I do right here, and then hybrid right here. Me personally, that's how I like to do the lashes. I feel like I'm more of a natural lash girly. Don't mind me, like my skin look a little dry because I didn't put my my hydrating toner on. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys how I do this. Hopefully I can record it and it looks good. But I'm gonna put you guys down, see how the camera angle looks, and we're gonna just get right into it because I really like how this is coming out. I had to see because, yeah. Also, I'm doing this because I'm getting my hair done today. So if I like the way this looks with my hair, I might be doing this with my hair because I'm not gonna wear any makeup because I'm having a pajama party for my birthday. So it gotta be natural. Like I feel like the hair is gonna come together and it's gonna look good. Okay, so I don't remember the exact lash strip this is. If I find it in my Amazon, I will definitely put it on the screen. But yeah, so I start off with the full lash thing. I start with the full lash tip, even though I'm not putting the full, I said full lash strip. Even though I'm not putting the full strip on, I still cut the ends off because I'm still gonna be using all of it, like all of it. No, I had, oh here it is, okay. I have like little pieces of lashes that I had from other lash strips, so we're gonna use that and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna use it. I feel like I'm gonna have to use, if I do this with other lashes, I just have like one pair left, so I can't fill it out the way I want to. But if I'm gonna stack them, I'm gonna stack them everywhere because at the end it's kind of like, it looks like darker and like heavier, like not heavier, fuller. It looks fuller on the ends and I like that look, but I'm gonna have to make sure that I do it so it looks right, because then now it looks full on the ends and then very like sparse in the front. But yeah, so take it and I cut two at a time, like 2 lengths at a time, if that makes sense. So if you're looking at the lash, my band is invisible or clear band, whatever you want to call it. There's spaces, you do 2 of them at a time. So as you can see, this is literally 2 clusters. So before I was doing the clusters, like the B&Q clusters, before like they really got popping, because I had no choice but to do clusters. I used to do the Ardell clusters when I was in high school. And oh, I have a strip right here that's stuck to the container. You know what that means? I can make it full. So we're gonna test it out. So yeah, I used to do the Ardell clusters because my mom didn't want me doing lash extensions. So I used to do the Ardell clusters on myself, and when I would want like a lash extension look, that's what I would do. But then after like I started doing lashes, I found different ways of doing things, and I still like Ardell, like the little containers that they have for lashes, but I don't like how the clusters are like a knot. I don't like knots. So if you're gonna do Ardell, try to get the clusters that aren't knotted. What I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna put glue on my lashes, you saw me do, and then I'm gonna do glue on my lash line. Since I don't have any lashes, it's a little harder. If you have lashes, just go with like your lash and it'll make it way easier. I have this little wand. I think it's a kiss one. This came with like the false era and the kiss thingy before I had it. So the technique is always one of them gotta be clear. It's either the eye gotta be clear or on your lash gotta be clear. If both of them are clear, that's cool, because even though it's clear, it's still gonna be tacky. So that's like a little trick. Like if you want it to what am I trying to say? If you want it to stick real good, you have it be clear on one thing or both, and then boom. Okay, that's one. A tip I would give if you don't have lashes like me. How do I say this? Wear your lacrimal. The nursing school, nursing students hopping at me. Okay, so where your tear duct is, let's do it in the where your tear duct is, when you keep going like over on your eyelid, there's like a little indent where there's like there's a little bend. You'll see it. There's a bend. I don't know how to describe it, but when there's that bend, you realize that that's where your lashes start at. So that's where you start at. Because before I used to have a hard time doing it, especially when I have lash sticks. It's hard for me to know exactly where to put it because I don't have lashes. So yeah. So then I'm just doing 2 at a time, like I said before. Cut it. Put glue on. I put the glue on the lashes first because I like when the glue dries on the lashes first versus my eye. And I do my eye. And now it's getting easy for me because when I just did this eye, it was so hard for me because I was freaking putting glue a little too high and messing up. But now, like, I kind of got the hang of it, so we're moving a little faster. I put a little bit too much glue on my eye. Boom. Okay, we're gonna just keep going. I'll probably speed it up so that way we can get to the point where I'm stacking, and then I'll come back and I'll say something. I hate that I have this mark right here because my birthday is tomorrow. Why I got a mark on my face? Why? Okay. Alright, and now we're gonna use this and we're gonna set. This definitely has to be brushed out first though, because you can tell that it's been through some things in this container. But I feel like this will help a lot because then I could do my cat eye look. And for this, I'm gonna have to put some like more right here. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is the middle part in these lashes are like is the longer part, so I'm gonna just take it and put them like towards the end. We're gonna see if this works out because yeah. I'm just combing them out. And after I finish combing them out, we're gonna see because your girl is just doing it as she goes along. I'm gonna use 3 because I had used 3 on the outer part. We're gonna use 3 again. And you just be careful when you're cutting it, like I said before, because you don't want to accidentally cut off lashes. I have 2 of them. And then I still have some left. I'm gonna do this eye first just to see how it looks. Okay, lift it up. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Let me get closer. Can you see the difference? I feel like you can and you can't. I don't know. Am I liking it? Yeah. Definitely like how it came out. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I got some. Let me just do this side now. Okay, so make sure you lift up. Hold on, it's a little too much glue. Lift up. My thing is, I just don't like when the lashes start looking like all bunched up, like a broom. When your lashes start looking like a broom, it gets on my nerves. And I feel like this end a little bit looks like that, just a little bit. Yeah. Same for yourself. Okay, so came out good. All right, now I have a little bit left right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one and one. I'm gonna use, okay, so I'm gonna cut it. I have 5 clusters, but I'm gonna use 4 of them, and I'm gonna just fill in the beginning a little bit. Okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. I gotta go get a spoolie for myself. I promise when I come back, I'll probably have a spoolie. Okay. I like this one, looks a little bit more heavy, but it's okay. Should I stop here? I kind of like it here. Let me just put my glasses on and look, and I'll be back. So I decided I'm gonna stop here. I like it. If you want to, you can always add an extra, like I was about to add extra clusters. It's by preference. These are for my girlies that don't have lashes, or they have lashes but they're very sparse. Okay, this is what you could do. Again, I'll try to see if I can get my Amazon history and look it up, but this is the glue that I use. I use Duo, the green one, brush on adhesive with vitamins. I use the brush on because the brush is easier for girls that don't have lashes. Okay, the little wand thing, you can't brush it on your eyelid like how you want to with the wand. So I would say the brush. This is the thing I use. I've had this for a while. Just have it for a year and throw it out. Baby girl been working for over a year, I think. No, I lied. I got it earlier this year, but she been holding me down. I haven't had to buy glue in a while, so yeah. Let's just appreciate the lashes real quick, okay. Alopecia where like this is bomb. Like this is probably the best I've done my lashes in a minute, and I feel like it's just right. But this has to be the best I've done my lashes in like a long time, like forever, because this, are you kidding me? You can't tell me I didn't do that. You cannot tell me I didn't do that. Oh my gosh. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment, like, subscribe. We're coming out with more videos. Just bear with me, okay? Bear with me. But like, I'm really feeling myself. Like, this is really nice, okay? But I'm out. Bye. Okay, so this is my video following up with the lashes. As you guys can see, I still have a majority of them. This one literally fell out this morning. Basically, I had my birthday weekend was this weekend. I don't know if I mentioned it in the video earlier, but I was just trying to see if like the lashes will hold. And it held last night too. I'm gonna put videos and stuff like that, snippets of my lashes, pictures of my lashes on. And I did them the 29th because I had got my hair done the 29th. I was drinking the 29th, was drunk the night of the 29th. Slept with them on. Then the 30th was my actual birthday, was drunk again. Slept with them on, and then this is the 31st, and it's currently 5 o'clock, and they still look pretty good. Like, if I really wanted to, I probably could just cut some other pieces up and put them in, but I'm not doing anything, and I'll just try like a different look a different time, and I'm just probably gonna just take it off. So yeah, like this isn't bad. They're not having eyelashes. I feel like they held pretty good, and people thought that they were lash extensions, so yeah, I think I did a good job. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Heavy on my empty mindset.